With each passing year, as the pace of technology advances and accelerates and devices become increasingly more complicated, opting in for device repair instead of purchasing new ones emerges as a financially savvy choice for our consumers. In a typical household, an average of 22 connected devices ranging from smartphones, tablets, computers, and gaming consoles can all be restored and gain a longer lifespan, saving consumers money. Moreover, the right to repair movement has played a pivotal role in evaluating the electronic repair industry. This grassroots effort is making a significant stride in compelling major corporations to permit both consumers and third party entities to repair devices. What sets the electronic repair industry apart is the diverse customer base. It includes virtually everyone. Anyone with a malfunctioning device can potentially become a valid customer. Our services cater to business, business to consumer, and business to government needs, providing comprehensive solutions for everyone. Additionally, a promising new revenue stream emerging in the buying and selling of renewed devices, with participation from both the local community and large businesses, further boosting the industry's growth and profitability. This allows customers to purchase an affordable, like new device without the steep price of a new device. The electronic repair industry is nearly recession and pandemic proof. The electronic repair industry was deemed an essential business during the recent pandemic, and many electronic retailers experienced double, if not triple, the gross revenue with everyone working and learning from home, where many other businesses were forced to be shut down. In an economic downturn, customers can rely on this industry by repairing their device rather than replacing or taking advantage of a renewed device, keeping money in their pockets. As you heard today, the electronics repair industry is a solid investment for your choice of your next business. Now, let's schedule a techie tour so you can meet the team and find out what separates techie from everybody else.